So you want to start editing your cube? So let's jump on. So let's go jump and create. Now you can see in here this view, and let's start with the basics. You want to move, you want to go around the 3D viewport. So shift and hold the middle mouse. You're gonna move around in here and you can see all of the view, and you can hit the middle mouse to just go around the view, or just go in here if you have a laptop or something else. And in here you can see we have the move option and all of the things. The controls are these in here. You can select it and you can just select in here to move it. Escape just to escape, or just control Z. Okay, some people want to undo too much times. So we have something in Blender that is named Preferences. You just need to go in here to Edit, then Preferences, then you can just go to the interface and you can scale this. I just like keeping it to 1 so I can adjust my view. And for undoing, you just need to go into System, then just undo steps, turn it to the high level, that is 256. So in here, you can adjust all of the things. I just like to check in depth in here so you can zoom in any place. In here, you just need to select Save Preferences, then or you just need to check this to automatically save your preferences. But I just like to click on this button. And now in here we have created all of the scenes. So the move tool is just selecting this, then G and R to rotate and S to scale. And you can just now to the access is just like in here we can see in the viewports we have the Z and X and Y axis, and the minus X, the minus Y, the minus Z axis. Z is in the top, just like in the top and bottom, and Y is in this straight in here, and X is just straight in here. You can select it just like I wanted G to grab it to move it just like, and you can select Y to move it in the Y axis. You can select X to move it in the X axis. You can select Z to move it in the Z axis. That is how the basics are, but we can see more. You can draw something just in Blender. You can draw something 2D. You can see it's 3D. Pretty funny. Just like I want to draw this human. Pretty funny model. There you go. There's a human. Control Z. I'm just gonna go to select all of these, and I'm just gonna Control Z to just undo this. Then you can see you can undo all many steps. If you don't want just Control Z, you just need to file and undo or something. Except for doing Control Z, I just like it. Control Z is pretty good for me. And then now we are gonna create something, but not in this part. In the part 2, we're gonna see all of the things you can do.